Hey, I'm Todd from Johnson Auto Body, and today we're going to talk about a few reasons why you shouldn't fix your car. So the main stuff is going to be if we can't do it correctly, it can't be done safely. That's the most important thing of all. A lot of people have like sentimental value and they're really connected to their cars. And you know, after an accident, they get in there and we get them apart and show them like some serious stuff going on. And a lot of times I got to talk people off the cliff there where they're like wanting to buy their car back and fix it. It's usually not a good idea unless it's just a strictly money issue where the car's just not worth enough to fix it. But those are like few and far between. Most of the time, you know, if you get into a car, there's going to be if there's structural damage that we can't repair properly, don't fix it. If you're going to be in a bind if something else comes up, this is another thing that happens a lot is so a tree falls on your car, they total it. You want a price to fix it, we give you that price and you could afford to fix it. It would be in the same ballpark of what they're going to give you and stuff like that. But the issue is going to be your car is going to have a salvage title on it, which is going to bring up a few things. So, you know, if you ever go to resell it, that's a big red flag. If you go to insure it again, a lot of companies won't put full coverage on it. So you're going to be stuck with only liability coverage. And that means if you get another accident, a deer jumps out in front of you, or something crazy happens, somebody even hits you without insurance, all that money you just spent on that car to fix it is gone. Just poof, gone. Another thing that we have to deal with these days is cars are getting really expensive. A lot of the cars that we're working on are $100,000 or more, and it takes a lot to total a car. If there's not any safety reasons or whatever that shouldn't be totaled, then they're gonna have us go and cut 3/4 of a car apart and put it back together. And at a certain point, it's just not right. You shouldn't be completely re-engineering an entire car, in my opinion. So the big things are like non-negotiable safety issues. That's something that you don't want to fix that car. If there's a lot of sentimental value involved, you really got to be careful and make decisions with your head, not your heart. That happens a lot. And yeah, if you're cutting, you know, half a car apart and you're going to be starting over re-engineering a whole car, at a certain point, you just should call it a day and total it. If you ever have any questions, as usual, swing by or give us a call at Johnson Auto Body.